Hi guys, welcome back to another video diary here in Oslo, Norway. So for today's video ay pupunta ako sa Hok. Neighboring city siya sa Oslo since nga napuntahan ko na halos dito. Ang plan ko doon ay mag-swimming. Try natin if kaya ko. Nagdala ako ng towel at saka punta din tayo doon sa ski museum doon sa taas niya. Medyo malalayo yung mga pupuntahan ko. So anyway, it's currently around 2:30 na ng hapon. Late na ako lumabas kasi nga gusto ko magpahinga. And then, check na lang natin. Anyway, nandiyan na yung bus ko.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear.
Hi guys, so nandito na ako sa may Hok, sa may beachfront, and nag-order lang ako. Sobrang gutom ko na. Pumunta ako dun sa isang restaurant malapit dito, pero nasa gitna pala siya ng dagat. So, paano ako makakain? But anyway, buti na lang may cafe dito sa harap ng front beach. Ayan. So, ito yung cafe and ito yung front beach. Ayan guys. Actually, may mga Pinoy ako nakakita. So, tignan natin kung Pinoy nga sila later. Anyway, nag-order lang ako ng burger. 11 francs to nasa around 660 pesos. Plus yung sparkling water lang. So, kain muna ako guys bago ako maligo sa dagat. And let's see kung ano mangyayari sa akin. So, yun lang. I know that I'm on vacation, but I also know that I need to relax, to pause, to think, and to ponder. At this moment, I realize that life moves really fast, and sometimes we are focused on what is ahead of us, on what is the future, and we tend to forget the things that is going around us. Probably, we are missing it. Let us be reminded of the quote, "You are on no one's journey but your own." Pace yourself and live your life the way you want to. In every vacation, it is nice finding that place where you can just go, sunbathing, relax, and do nothing. Sabi nga nila, sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. So guys, ito nga pala yung sa beach nila. Yung Hok. And then, dun sa banda dun, i-zoom ko lang. Parang nude beach siya kasi ang daming nakahubad. So hindi ko sure kung talagang nude beach siya. Pero normal lang naman yun dito sa Europe. So from there, ikutan mo siya. Tignan natin later. Anyway, doon ako nag-swimming. Dito ako nag-swimming. Pero kasi sobrang mabato. Wala akong aqua shoes. So guys, bumili din pala ako ng ice cream for me. So ayan. So, it's around 7 francs. 350 pesos to guys. But anyway, nasa bakasyon tayo. Money don't count as well as calories don't count. So, pero palagi kasi ako nasa bakasyon. So, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Let's see. So guys, confirm nga. Naked beach to. Ang tawag sa kanya ay naturist beach. Actually, meron mga nakahubad doon. Pero usually mga matanda. Pero wala namang pakialamanan dito. So anyway, kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, ayan, naturist beach. So, pabalik na ako. Punta na ako dun sa bus station.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you...
So ito yun guys, sobrang nakakalula siya in person. But anyway, dapat pupunta ako dun sa may training grounds na yon, yung parang naglalakad sila. However, training pala yon, hindi pala pwedeng pumasok yung tourist. So, hindi ako pinapasok dun. Anyway, sobrang nakakahinga ito. And sobrang feeling ko delikado, no? Hindi siya delikado, pero baka pag nahilo at nahimatay. So, yun. Sobrang laki niya guys. And by the way, meron kang view ng Norway dito. Yan yung sea na pinagswimingan ko at saka doon. Punta ako doon in a while. So, let's go.
You try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mouth.
Hi guys, so it's currently 8:04 ng gabi. So, medyo late na pero sobrang tirik pa rin ng araw. And bumili lang pala ako ng dinner ko sa may Coopri. Actually, ayok talaga mag-dinner kasi nga nagpa-fasting ako. But anyway, ito yung kinain ko na lang para hindi ako mag-guilty. I have here the salad. It's a cold salad, so hindi na kailangan. I mean, ready to eat na siya with the sauce as well as yung utensils niya. Anyway, sobrang ganda ng view dito. Ito siya. Kung makikita nyo, ayan yung buong Oslo. And ayan. So dito ako kakain with the view. Ayan yung pa-sunset. And then, dun banda yung pinuntahan natin kanina na ski stadium. Guys, ito is around 600 pesos na to. So, medyo mahal dito kagaya siya ng Switzerland. So, same price din siguro ng sa Switzerland. So, yeah. Let's see and I'll eat with the view, guys.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Hi guys, so nakalimutan ko nga pala mag-extro or outro doon sa video ko sa Norway. But anyway, that's the part 2 as well as the last part of our video in Norway. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa Norway, especially yung mga tourist attractions. Sobrang ganda ng weather. And nag-relax lang din pala ako doon sa mga beaches doon sa Norway, katulad ng Hook Beach as well as doon sa Nude Beach. So anyway, thanks for watching guys. If you like this kind of video, kindly click the like, subscribe, as well as mag-comment na rin kayo if ano pang countries yung gusto puntahan ko. Anyway, the next video will be about Finland. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, nag-Nordic tour ako. So from Norway to Finland and then sa Baltic countries. Actually, nasa Vilnius, Lithuania ako ngayon. So, maraming salamat sa panonood and see you on my next video. Maraming salamat. Ciao!
There'll be girls across the nation.